Hello, you everyone. So, today we will make slip eyes lid. So, let's get started. Let's start it. We take a piece of fabric and we bend it just one time. I want to make one for my mom, so I bend it 2 times. Yeah, sorry. Anyways, we take chalk and we stress in the spluma. It looks like 2 circles and you merge them. Or for purposes, like you're gonna make a mask of a hero. You're gonna be a hero in your dreams. So, now, all we're gonna do is we're gonna take a pen and, okay, on the formal we're gonna make the pens for we can easily cut. Now, we're gonna cut. We're gonna wait for the time we see what we're gonna cut this formal. And after this, okay, she finished. Okay, she finished. Now we're gonna take off the pen. You know, we'll need to take off it if you're gonna make just one. But if you're gonna make two, so you're gonna take it off. So you're gonna make it again. For me, I'm gonna make it again. So I'm gonna make 2 marks in the outside of the circle. So I will sew it in the sewing machine.
There's a fire starting in my heart, reaching a fever pitch and it's bringing me out the dark. Finally, I can see you crystal clear. Go ahead and sell me out and I'll lay your ship bare.